Hello guys and welcome back. So in today's new episode we are going to install a pop-up waist, but this type of waist is going to have even a tap. Here is everything that is coming into the box and the instruction manual right over there, and we are going to quickly install this without, like I said, having the taps right here. Now I'm going to install it a little bit different. As you can see, this one is going to have two holes on the side for hot and cold water, and I'm just going to use one because my mixer is going to be in the wall, so I just need a water supply. And for the other one I will just need to cap it off. Everything is going to be sand, is going to be in the pack with it, so these are just going to go like that if you are going to use hot and cold, but I don't need it, so probably I'm going to use just the left side for the mixed water that is going to be already mixed by the actual valve that I have it in the wall. Now you will need an Allen key for that. One side is done. I will need to do even the other side right here. As you can see, they will have some washers, some rubber here, so you don't need to do nothing. You don't need any tape. It should be fine just like that. And this is just going to be installed right there. And to do that, we will need to unscrew this right here. Take this side off, this also, and boom, voila. Now we just need to install this small plastic thing, but before, try to peel off the foil that is on the bathtub. So I was saying, pop-up waist. This is going to be on this side right here, installed like that. So right, that one is done. Just need tightening, and then here I'm going to have the handle for it, and the handle is just going to go like this inside here. Needs to be forced, and that's it. Right here is the pop-up waist. Just need to twist and it's going to open, close and open. All right, and for the other half, just need to pull the pop-up waist out, unscrew take it off. Now you have this washer that is going to be half inside the bathtub, and the other side is just going to sit on top right here, and then we screw everything back together. So here we go. This is the back of the bathtub. You just need to put this one right in there. And it's just like that. And then we put everything together. Now this bit is going to be on the other side, and then we need to screw everything together. Let's go on the other side. So all done now. Of course it needs tightened. It needs a little bit more to be more tightened. And you can also put some silicone around the rubbers, but I will not exaggerate with those ones, because usually when you put silicone, when you tighten them up, they are just going to go away from the place that they are sitting on. So yeah, I don't usually like to use silicone, and if I'm going to put, I'm just going to put just a tiny bit. So here we go. So alright guys, this is pop-up waste. It's actually 2-in-1, because it's going to work even as a tap, and I believe it's a very smart idea not to have the tap on the bathtub. It can work by itself, or depending on the model. Now this one is not going to work by itself. It's just going to activate the pop-up waste, but it's not going to actually open the water supply. The water supply is going to be activated, but by a separate valve. So yeah, there are going to be other models that are going to activate even the water. Now you should be quite careful if you are looking to install something like that, because are going to be different models and the prices are going to be very different. What I mean is, you can buy something like that from £80, but it can go up to 800, 1,000 pounds. And also you have to be careful when you buy it that is going to do the job that you want for it to do. For example, if you don't have a valve that is going to activate separately the pop-up waste, it will have to mix his own water, so you have to be very careful on that. Now I believe this is a very smart gadget for space and for cleaning wise, because it's going to be more easy to clean the bathtub. And yeah, this is how you are going to do the installation. It's not very difficult to do, and you know, if I can do it, you can. So now this is not fully installed because it's not tightened and everything, just because I will have to install another type, and I cannot make you see how it's going to work. But if you have any questions, definitely I'm going to install this one in another bathroom, and I can cover on that video all of your questions. So at this point, don't forget to squeeze that like button and see you on the next one.